welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today I've got a Honda lawnmower. The blade hasn't been sharpened for a year. It's probably gone through the wars and hit a few rocks and wood stumps on the way. We're going to try to sharpen that blade today. To do that, I've got a little ratchet here with a 14mm socket to make this job easy. I also have a little electric grinder sitting there, and I am going to be using protective eyewear and earwear when I do that sharpening. So let's get started. And it's just coming off like a hot knife through butter. One bolt out. Two bolts out. There's the blade. Oh, look at that rough blade. That rough cutting edge right there. It's hit a few things on the way. We're going to try to fix that today. So I'm going to bring it over to my bench. I'm going to put some goggles on. I'm going to put some ear protection on. Now when you're sharpening the blade, the same number of passes you do on one side, you're going to do on the other side, because you want this blade to be as balanced as possible. So you don't want to over sharpen one side. So we're going to start right here. I've had to pass 10 times on that side to try to fix that cutting edge. Now we're going to flip the blade over and we're going to do 10 passes on this side. That's what we're looking at. They don't have to be razor sharp. That we fixed it as much as we can. There are a few nicks in the blade, but that's okay. I'm now going to reinstall the blade. Now I'm going to switch the direction of my ratchet. And that's how you sharpen the blade on a lawnmower. This is a backyard project. Anybody can do this. If you don't have an electric grinder, you can use a hand file. That's as simple as that. If you like the video, please press like, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.